Last spring, I fell off the horse really bad and I had a pretty bad concussion. I did go in for it. They gave me the recommended treatment plan, which is 6 to 8 weeks. Didn't drive for 2 weeks. Had all these horrible symptoms. My vision was off. Headaches, migraines, my neck hurt so bad. Very blurry vision and a lot of brain fog. I just couldn't think clearly. I had tried several different chiropractors. I've gone to 3 different doctors and nothing seemed to help. So I was very skeptical to come to a chiropractor after someone had recommended Draeger. It was a little overwhelming because I never had someone actually explain to me why I was feeling this way, and they'd always just been like, oh, well, we need to adjust this and this, you need help with this, but it wasn't actually not just treating the symptom but the root cause of it. There's a lot of things told to me that finally clicked in my head of what was going on and what needed to get fixed. Actually, I started school right before and I was really struggling and my grades were falling. I was missing a lot of things. I would learn something and try to remember it and then go for the test and completely not remember it at all. After starting CFR and I'm getting straight A's again, I can remember things way better. Learning is so much easier. When you're first going and you go so many times, you're falling back right away to what you were, and that's why they have you come more often. But once your muscle memory starts to change and you start holding yourself in a different way, you feel so much better and recommend it to everyone. Everyone who I know who has had a head injury or has headaches or any of that, I'm go get CFR, it will help.